What is this?
PLC.
Galvanic isolator. Where should be located the galvanic isolator?
Between the
You cut at the ground
ground.
and you insert it in series.
From the
What is the function of this galvanic isolator? Avoid that the bad currents coming from the shore power enter in my boat. Block currents coming in. Pay attention. The static electricity is AC current or DC current? It's DC. It's DC. Doesn't matter. Pay attention, because some people say, Mr. Lopez, but you say that that static electricity on the dishwashers was produced because the motor of the washer was spinning and a jumped electron in the case of the dishwashers, and storage energy over there, and that energy is static electricity. But that static electricity is coming from AC current. Yes, but immediately the electron jumped and stay over there like this, they are DC. Static. They are DC, direct current. Is AC only during the moment of the rotation of the magnets in front of the coil. After that, if that current is stored in a piece of metal, convert in DC. Everybody follow me? Okay. In other words, the definition for the galvanic isolator is an equipment designed to prevent that bad currents coming from the pedestal, bad DC currents enter in my boat and affect the grounding system of my boat. Block the intrusion of DC currents in my boat. That's clear? That's the function of the galvanic isolator. Block the intrusion of a DC currents in my boat. To prevent corrosion is one of the functions. This is one of the functions. Is necessary, is mandatory, install a galvanic isolator in a boat?
No.
It's mandatory.
Oh.
It's mandatory. If you don't have galvanic isolator, and your boat one day after the storm, kaboom, and you try to apply for a claim in the insurance company, they sent the inspector, and the inspector found that you don't have galvanic isolator. Of course, the problem was a strike on the pedestal, but the current passed through the ground and entered in the boat and destroyed the boat. And they discovered that you don't have galvanic isolator. What happened with your claim? Zero. What happened if in that moment the strike shocked the pedestal and the current tried to enter in the boat, and you have this element explode, avoid that the current enter, and protect the boat. Normally, after the storm, you check the majority of the galvanic isolators and all of them are burned because they work.